Hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're taking a closer look at the Thinkware Q200. So this compact little device promises some exciting features, so let's dive right in. First off, let's talk design. The Q200 is a sleek, minimalistic, and won't obstruct your view. Installing is a breeze. Just stick it in your windshield, connect the power cable, and you're good to go. So this is the front view and the top, and we do get this sliding mount here. So that's all you need to do. And you're able to adjust it here afterwards as well. So this is what you're getting at the top, and you have the power in. And this is what you're pretty much seeing afterwards after you install it. So you have record, Wi-Fi, and you have the Wi-Fi LED and the status to show you that it is recording. And on the side, we have the GPS and the rear camera input. And at the bottom, they added the micro SD card. One thing I really like that they did this time is added the micro SD card at the bottom, because sometimes when you want just to take the footage with you, it's take off the micro SD card from the bottom instead of having to unmount the whole dash cam. This just makes it super easy. So this is the kit that I have here. It does come with a rear camera, but the front camera is a 1440p, so 2K, and the rear camera is 1080p, and it does come with a rear cable. So this is the kind of cable they included this time. So for the power, this is what we're getting this time. So there's no USB Type-C or micro USB, so you're getting this. And we also get the hardwire kit as well. And we also have the GPS, which needs to be mounted outside the camera, which I would have loved to be integrated within here. Here are the dimensions of the camera in centimeters. The app is another upgrade. Now you're using the same app as you would for the more expensive U3000. And I think they're gonna stick to that going forward with any new camera, because you're able to update the speed camera alerts straight from the app. You don't really need to go from your PC or anything like that, so which is nice. Now, my favorite feature, safety camera alerts. The Q200 keeps you informed about speed traps and red light cameras, which I think other dashcam manufacturers should really start implementing, as this is the main feature why I keep Thinkware dash cameras in my car. So until now, everything has been great, but there's a catch. Video quality, while the Q200 has 2K resolution, it doesn't quite deliver the wow factor. Let's take a look at some of the footage here. So some of the pros of this camera are the compact and minimalistic design here, and the user-friendly app, which lets you download updates directly to the camera from the app. And the other pro is the safety camera alerts for speed and red light as well. And going through some of the cons here, the video quality, while the Q200 offers the 2K resolution, it fails short to deliver exceptional video quality. Like we saw the footage there, it's not really up there. And the other thing is we have the separate GPS antenna here. Would have loved to see a built-in GPS within the unit here. Would have been much better, because now you're just having to connect this and another cable which you have to worry about. In the end, the Q200 is a solid choice for everyday drivers. Just remember, safety features are top-notch, video quality not so much. Then there is the Thinkware U3000, which delivers both worlds, but at a cost. If you have any questions about this dash cam, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer it. And if you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button for more videos like this. I'll see you on the next one.